Today it will be left-handed knife tricks. You have a broken knife. That's a bad thing, but can you do still tricks with it? Yes. Yes. Can indeed. This one, broken. This one is just flipping it or something. Yeah? Alright. I don't know. You just catch it or something. You see with your hands in the angles. It's what I got. Only one ever found, but it's a good thing. It's just you spin it around and you look for this. Look for that one. Just a cool one. Just you don't need to really do much with it. You can just spin it around. It doesn't. It'll make the noise and it'll be distracting, and that's all it really serves to do the purpose of. Spinning it and whatnot, it's just real easy. Oh, it's a time for that. So, you can never just spinning your blade idly for this long in a fight. But you can just hold it or something. You can just flip it or something. Flip it around. Oh, don't drop it on your foot now. Never drop it on me. No often there, maybe once there. Shouldn't bad. Never be throwing it around. Just no more velocity than need be on the fallen object. I don't know. Probably don't want to hold it like this because it's loose. You just get it. It's good to always know where the good spots on the blade are to touch it. It's like it's a good one. A little bit something to grip on. I mean, just slide that part a little bit over your finger or whatnot. Alright. Hi, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I don't know. See, that's a bit. It's got a point, but it's just a man with a machete may inherently defeat you with one of these. They're entertaining. They make noises, sir. It's an entertaining noise. Like I was saying, split this shit. Trying to make it slow, but it just goes at its own speed, and it's hard to control the flow of the gravity on the knife, so I'm trying to go as slow as possible. But it's a smaller knife, so if yours ever happens to break, it might be able to be repaired. Pretty sure you can buy these at flea markets because they're not for weapons grade purposes. You would never want to skin or kill something with this knife. It's just for entertainment purposes. Display purposes, maybe. I don't know any real tricks. I just Twitter this shit. twiddling it. There's originally another piece, I don't know where it is. These tend to explode. Quality is not an issue with me, it's just the noise, it's a good thing. I like the metal jingling. I don't know. Just put the little pieces between your fingers and twist them all around. That's how it works. Always keep a very soft grip, but not soft enough that you drop it. It's not a good thing. Oh, my bones are weak. Duh. Aching like a old summer house in the fall. Yeah. Trying to get a good angle, but I don't know how much you can see of this. Don't know how much you can see of this shit. I can't see it very well. But I got terrible vision. You see, I got bad vision. I got real bad vision. It's bait. It's bait. If you spin it, it looks cool too. If you get good rotation on it real fast or real slow, if you can do real slow. If you're trying to keep a steady hand, just don't go that fast. Don't go fast enough to where the momentum just carries the blade. That it carries itself. And if it just glides slowly and thoroughly through there, you might be doing a good job. My hands are so soft and slippery. I'm not aggressive today. No aggression in the bones. Nothing yet. Oh, sleepy time now. Sleepy time. Learn something, people. Learn something now.